saying? You pay for what you get. Well, this is exactly it. Galaxy Tab A7. Guys, this is strictly for personal use and school use. An entry-level performing tablet. Straight up. Nothing else. If you're expecting more, you're gonna be very, very disappointed. All right, with that out of the way, and you finally got your answer, let's go into detail why. Throw them threes up for your boy. This is Devin up here. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. I got goals today. You got goals today. Let's get it done. Let's get it. All right, the Tab A7. Let's unbox this. It's a pretty dope tablet. You know, Samsung always make great tablets, but I'm telling you guys, if you guys are seriously looking for a tablet for some heavy use for a cheap price, this does have the cheap price, but this is not really what you're looking for. I'm giving you a heads up right now. And when I tell you the specs, you're gonna be blown away. So what do we got in here? Of course, we got the terms and conditions right here. Quick reference guide, AKA your guidebook. Next, you got your USB charger. It's a 15 watt, that's pretty average. And lastly, a USB Type-C charger. So that's how you know you're gonna get quick charging out of this. And lastly, the tablet itself. I love this cloth from Samsung. It's really, really nice and smooth. All right, guys, so quick rundown of the specs. A 10-inch 0.4 screen, Snapdragon 662, which is very slow for today's standard. It comes in a 3 GB of memory, which is very low. Standard devices come in 8 GB. Now 3 GB is very terrible. So expect crashes, freezing, expect just your device to just not function too well with heavy use, which is why I said this is mainly for school, paperwork, YouTube, watching Netflix movies for a small entry-level use. Someone who just needs a tablet. Also, it comes with 4 speakers, which is very impressive. So those 4 speakers is, like I said, is geared towards an entry level who eventually someone will wants to upgrade. That's the kind of trap they're gonna use to, you know, gain your trust with, oh, okay, well, I mean, it's not a bad tablet. It does come with 4 speakers versus 2. So that's kind of how they get you with the, oh, well, you know, it's not that much of a bad decision. This is more of a better choice. But trust me, just be more wary of what you're buying. Like I said, what you pretty much are getting what you buy. And the internal storage is 64 gigabytes, but that's pretty good, because that's pretty standard in most devices. Also, you can have an internal storage can be placed in here. So if you want to add more storage, you can just punch in the hole, add your storage, and the maximum storage you can have is up to 1 terabyte. And no, this does not work with an S Pen. So if you guys have an S Pen or guys are looking to use an S Pen with this, it is not compatible with an S Pen. Is it compatible with a keyboard? Some, but not all. So I just recommend just getting a foldable case for this. Again, guys, what did I say? This is mainly used for school, social media use, or media use like Netflix, YouTube, just watching movies, watching videos, listening to music. Someone who is new to tablets or someone who just needs a tablet. So it's a screen bright. It can be if you turn the brightness up, but is it high quality, bright screen, colorful screen? No. Again, it's not really made for this. It's made for just small use. So, all right. So now that I'm done bashing it, let's talk about some of the good things that it can do. You can protect your tablet by having facial recognition, pattern, pin, and password. Next, of course, you do have picture mode, but inside the picture mode, you have live photo, you have regular photo, and you have video, and you also have more. And with more, you have food, panorama, pro, and hyperlapse within the tablet. But with the quality, as you see, again, I'm not trying to bash it. You can just see my brown background and you can just see the contrast of the blue. A lot of blues in the photo. And lastly, we're just gonna let the music play off the tablet and just see how the speakers and how good the speakers are. I hope I answered all your questions with this. I try to keep it straightforward and tell you exactly what this is for and just keep it there, because honestly, I don't want you to waste your time or your money. Trust me, I was that curious person that used to just buy things thinking like, oh, but it's by a big brand, it should be great, and then come around and be disappointed. Guys, I don't want you to be disappointed when you come to my channel. You're gonna get the honest answers. I'm saying, you're gonna get the answers. You're gonna get the honesty out of me. Like, because trust me, I don't want you to waste your money. I don't want to waste your time. The thing I like about this tablet is that I like how it's made for school use. You know, it's pretty much, you're just doing what you need to do. If you buy it for that purpose, you're doing yourself a favor, because you can save a lot of money by just buying a tablet instead of getting a computer, which, you know, costs so much. It's heavy. We all know how laptops are. Laptops are a pain. You gotta carry on the charger. You gotta carry so much stuff. Gotta pray you don't get a blue screen. Just gotta pray so much. But with a tablet always works. A tablet is so compatible. A tablet is just small and it's always there for you. Let me get into the memory. So 3 gigabytes of memory is terrible, because you need a lot of memory in a device, because memory helps devices move faster. It helps devices fluctuate. You know, if you have so many tabs up, if you have so many things going on, like you're typing, you're going through page after page after page after page, and listening to music, it's gonna crash, because it's taking so much data and memory to form all that stuff. So, which is why 8 is so good, because that's what you want in memory. Guys, this is Devin Up. Thanks for watching. You know, we keep it real here. We do. That's what we do. Man. Guys, we at 200. What are we doing? What are we doing, guys? We doing giveaways on here. Watch my next video. We're doing giveaways. It's coming up, guys. We doing giveaways here. Thanks for watching. This is Devin Up, and I'm out. Peace.